I don't like this decision you are about to make. Yes, why would you want to give that woman such huge amount of money? For what? She doesn't deserve it. And me, I'm not in support of that decision. And that's final.
Oh, really? I see. And who are you again to dictate for me how to spend my money?
Why would you say that to me? Are you asking me who am I to you? I am your girlfriend, your fiancée for that matter. So I have the right to tell you what to do and what not to do.
My darling, that boat have capsized long time ago. So you no longer have right to tell me what to do again.
You really don't know whom you're dealing with. It is a pity that you keep underestimating me. That is so bad for you. Because I will fuck you up.
What is this?
Put it in her food.
What is this? Please, I can't. You know I can't stain my hands with someone's blood. Why would you ask me to add this to her food?
What do you mean? This will only make her sleep so we can video her and use it to blackmail her, that's all. Who told you that I want to kill somebody? Huh?
Are you sure?
What is wrong with you now, eh? So you don't trust me? You know I can't lie to you now. We need to make that video of her while she is sleeping, and this is the only way we can do that. Yes, now.
Okay.
So put it
just that. I don't want to stain my hands with anyone's blood.
So are you trying now to call me a serial killer? Or what? I say put this thing inside. We need this thing so we can video her while she's sleeping and blackmail her. As simple as that. So you are trying to call me a serial
Are you mad?
Huh?
So you cannot greet me. Yeah. Come on, greet.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Please, can you have your food?
Open it.
I should open it. You can have
Bring it out. Why one meat? Like, what insolence? What temerity? This is so absurd. This is anyhowness. This is demeaning. I mean, this is unacceptable to me, my brand, what I'm representing. Like, what the heck? What the really heck?
Well, this is the only meat we have for now.
So, what is my business? You go and buy meat out there. Don't serve me this shit. Nigga, don't serve me this shit. What is my business with you? If you don't have enough meat, go and buy meat and give me. Don't give me this kind of nonsense food. I'm not begging food.
Please, you have to manage it. I will make it up to you
Manage
some other
what?
time. Manage it.
Do I look like I need it to you? No. Do I look like I'm begging food? Do I look like somebody that is in need, like desperately in need of food? I don't need your food to survive. If you want to give me food, go and make sure that you see. I know that you're looking down with me. Look at where my level is. You cannot even attain to this level. Not to talk of coming here. My sister, remove that food to my... Come on, carry it out of my face now. I will kick it up. Come on, carry it.
It's fine. I'll go and look for another meat. Okay? Are you okay now?
Ooh, come back here. Pick this. Come back here, pick it. You have to pick it. Come here. Pick it.
Okay, is it?
Where's my phone?
It's okay.
Pick it.
I will pick it.
Pick it. No. You walk majestically. You don't walk anyhow. This is how you're not married. You're looking for a wood to eat and you're waiting for your husband.
Do this job. I will do it myself. Can you imagine what that brat is asking for? Blackmailing me.
I suggest we should go.
Ijoma, not now, please.
We go nowhere. Not until I am satisfied. Yes. That brat. Hey.
But if I may ask, what's her demand?
That I should make Obiora to employ her as the cook and make Ijoma mind the gate. And not just that, that I should leave this house for a whole 2 months.
What?
Yes!
She's crazy.
Yes. Fantastic. Yes. Let's make her mad. My suggestion.
No way. I didn't say we should make her mad. I only say she's crazy for making such demand. Please, we can't make her mad.
What is wrong in making her mad? If you say somebody is crazy, then let's make her crazier. Yes!
Don't count me out.
No, don't worry. I have somebody to do that job. Yes. You don't need to bother. I promise.
Ijoma, we are not killing her, okay? We are only making her mad. I told you before, no bloodshed. Just calm down, please.
No way. Killing her or making her mad, they are all the same.
Ijoma, please allow me to make this call. Thank you.
Tomo, what are you doing here? You're not supposed to be here. Who invited you?
Any evil gathering I came into, everywhere will scatter.
Why are you here? Is this your duty post?
Hey.
Can you please just go out?
Hey. You know me and you, we have normal, natural hatred for ourselves. I can easily cripple you here, Shebi you know. Shebi you know, right? So mind the way you talk to me, please. First your front. I'm not here for you.
Tom, please. What do you want?
Yes.
What I want.
Yes.
What do I want? You want to know what I want? I want to relax. I want to chill. I want to AC. I don't tire. Make I collect AC small. You know go bad now. I mean you go bad.
Does this place look like where you should have AC? Don't you know your duty post? My friend, will you live here?
No wahala. Me, I don't like trouble, sha. Let me be going. Since people want me to go, I can't go. No. You know that me, you know the consequences. You know that me, I don't like wahala. Let me just be going, okay? Let me just
No.
I don't have any.
Don't sit down.
I wanted to just relax so that she will go to the gate for the
Please.
But since you don't want.
Sit down. You know what? There is no need for all this, please. Let her relax. At least enjoy this house for once. Let her enjoy the AC. I can even cook for her. Please. Yes.
I want to be going now. I don't want to stay again.
Please don't go.
No, I don't like when I'm making people feel uncomfortable. I don't want to make people uncomfortable. No, let me just go, okay? Let me go. Voila, I will just stay. Me, I'm innocent, Shao. I'm very much innocent. You understand? I'm not asking. If everybody in this world should be as innocent as I am, everywhere will be cool.
It's okay.
Please, just relax yourself, okay?
Yes.
Please.
I'll sit. But if you get me food, it's not bad.
I will give you food.
What are you doing here? Leave me here.
You're not taking my calls. Where's my money?
Which money? Are you mad? Eh? Guy, you need to leave here immediately now.
I'm here to collect all my money. The money I spent to Tora, you collected from me.
You mad? What money are you talking about? My friend, you have to leave here now.
Is that how you want it? I will tell my sister everything you've done. You go know say I be street boy.
Guy, calm down now. Calm down. She might even hear you. See, don't worry. Just go. I will take your calls, okay? We will talk about this better. Just leave, please. Why you for your hand like this now?
Don't call me. You see what I will do to
I
you.
will call you later, please. Leave.
So this is where you are. where you are, even people.
Tom, what is it again? Eh? What is it?
Look at where you are. You are eating. Abi? You are comfortably eating. I'm just coming from your room. And your room is so terrible. Like, the smell. Hey! Jesus. People have turned this house upside down. Like, you and that your partner. People have literally turned this house upside down. But the smell, the everything. Ah! Jesus Christ.
Tom, please, I don't have time for this your nonsense. Please allow me to eat my food in peace. Leave me alone.
I allow you to eat your food in peace. Why I came, I just wanted to let you know that as people are doing, anything you do finish, I beg, help me to wash that bed sheet. So that people will not kill us here. Wash the bed sheet properly, clean everywhere, sweep everywhere. Don't be letting us know that you did something, I beg. I'm begging you. I'm begging you, don't be choking us in this house. Please. How can both of you be making this house unholy and you are comfortable with it?
Utoma, leave me alone. Utoma, leave me alone. I don't know what you are talking about.
You will not know what I'm talking about. No, you will not know. You will never know.
Utoma, sugar. Cheche, Utoma no dey take any nonsense. But Utoma na dreamer. Waiting the hungry and me no dey market. Che, I mechem. Utoma batago.
What's going on here? Utoma, what are you doing in the kitchen? Why are you not at your duty post?
Welcome, sir. Come on, tell me, the food is ready.
You still have not answered my question. What are you doing in the kitchen and why is Ijoma there? At the gate?
Boss, Ijoma told her to come stay inside while she takes care of the kid.
Utonwa, are you tired of your job?
No. Why would I be tired when I'm working in my Destiny iPad's house? I cannot be tired, sir.
Go to your duty post, okay? I'm sorry, boss. I said, eat that thing fast.
Shut up, your mouth. What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Eat that thing fast.
Wait, what are you doing with knife?
Sir, please, can I speak to you about something?
No. Sure, fine, you can talk to me. What is it? I hope everything is alright.
Sir,
Say, what is it?
Sir,
Good day, sir. They called already. Can we leave now?
Wait for me outside. I need to finish with Ijoma here. Okay? I'll join you soon.
Alright. Thank you, sir.
So, Ijoma, what is it that you want to talk to me about that you can't say? Why are you shivering?
Sir, I'm not shivering. Sir, it's nothing. Let's leave it some other time. Let me allow you to do what you are doing, please.
Some other time. Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Very sure, sir.
Okay then.
This is strange.
Let me go. Let me go to somewhere they will value me and not to sell me.
I don't understand. This collateral that you're just hammering sense. I did not use you as collateral. Eh? You know that since you left, my Accra business collapsed. How do you want me to be paying rent here and other bills? Eh? You know your organ likes you and respects you. So I only told him to give me the money, that you are still there. At least, you know, you have rest of mind that I will not run away with his money. Eh? I don't understand that you a thing that I will use as collateral. You that I love so much. Collateral.
I don't believe you. I don't believe you. Somebody like you now, if you see where you use me for ritual, you will use me and make money. You will use me and cash out.
Go and sit down. Which cash out? Which cash out are you talking about? Ultimatum. Eh? I'm asking you. You think you can vomit counter? Go and sit down.
I don't understand. Like, are you not the one that was trying to convince me? Nah. Why? How do you even want me to believe you? This minute, you will change it for me. Next minute, you will start begging me. What do you want me to believe now?
Don't come to my house and be raising your voice. Is something wrong with you?
For you to even tell me that I cannot vomit counterfeit, that means you have tried using me for ritual and it did not work. Yes, nah. I have strong head.
Who gave you the head?
Strong
head. Who gave you the head? Everything that I'm doing is for your own good. I don't know why you have refused to see it. What is your problem? Eh? What is your problem? Actually, no, I'll cock and turn on the way again. Or say more, I want to use it to cash out. Don't go on. With easy.
I want to
go. Go. In fact, go before you pass me way. Go. Me jiri way. Go.
Not like somebody. Not like I don't want to go. Not like I don't want to go. It's not like I don't want to have BP because of me.
Baby, no. Eh? This was how I used to behave when I was at your age. Go back up. Let me give you the any boy I can impact. Eh? Get on special.
Tasha, when are you leaving?
Obi, I told you I'm not leaving. I'm not going nowhere. Yes?
There is nothing here for you anymore. I borrowed money to complete my project. Listen, just leave. We can still be good friends.
I am not after your money, Obi. I don't need your money for anything. It's you that I want. Don't you get it?
Then, I need a break.
I am not giving you a break. And you know that. The last time I gave you a break, what happened? I caught you with another woman in our bed. So never.
There we go again. There we go again. Must you keep referring to my past? That was in my past. Can you just leave and give me some time to think, to gather myself, to gather my life together?
Like I said earlier, I am not going anywhere. Period.
Where is he?
He left in anger.
So what do we do now?
He said he borrowed money to complete the project. Is that true?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. I want everything gone. I don't want him to ever complete that project.
Why?
You will set that building on fire. Yes, including the materials. Everything burned down to ashes.
What? That is absurd. Why would I do something like that?
Because I want to wreck him. I want him to feed from hands to mouth. I want him to beg for mercy. Yes.
I'm sorry, Tasha, this is not making sense at all. Stealing from him to enrich ourselves is fine, but not to waste. It's not making any sense now.
Who are you working for? Me or Obiora?
Tasha, I'm working for you, but I'm not a foolish person, okay?
That means you have to do what I want you to do.
But I know what is right and wrong. Why waste it? For what? What's the benefit? What do we gain from this?
I still cannot believe what I had today. I cannot still believe that these people have been the one behind all these things happening to my Obi Bobo, my destiny helper. They've been the one. Stealing from him, frustrating him, making him feel bad. Every bad thing that is happening to him, that one.
Mana. What are you planning to do? And don't tell me you are planning to go and confront them. Don't try it at all. You see how desperate they are? If you try it, they will kill you. They will go.
I'm not going. I'm not going to confront because somebody will let me better slap. See, what me I'm going to do like this now, I'll just show my uncle that video. I'll show him, but before I'll show him, I'll just gather more evidence. Because if I show him like this, like to bring up more issues, and now I don't have enough evidence to prove what I saw or what I heard.
But whatever you are doing, be fast. If you don't do fast, they will burn down the house. And you know how much we are talking about here. Millions, so. Millions, so.
Money that in my next 10 years I cannot even make. No, don't worry. Let me just be going here so that we can gather more information. No, those what I've been sending to you, we are holding it very well.
Hey! They are very safe for Central Bank. Very safe.
Back it up, so that if any mistake, you.
Be careful. What? Be careful. Let me also know what I will do for my own end. Yes!
Well, I don't know when they will just come now, steal my phone, use my face, unlock it, do what I don't know.
Don't worry about that one. Be careful.
Let go of my gun. Let go of my gun.
Everywhere, chief security.
I don't know why she's allowing her emotions to destroy everything we've worked for.
Maybe you should eliminate that girl.
What? Babe, that's not a good idea.
Are we still talking about the idea that is good or bad? Baby, we don't have an option. This is the only thing we have to do. Eliminate that. I don't want her to spoil things for us.
Babe, eliminating her is not a good idea. I think we need to find a way to sort this out.
Baby, you're a man. If you want to eliminate somebody today, you will do it. Baby, find a way and do this thing. If you don't eliminate her, she will come after you. And by that time, you don't know me, I don't know you.
Babe, just get ready, okay? We'll be leaving soon. Just get ready.
When?
Just get ready, okay? I will sort everything out and we'll be leaving soon.
Look at him. Now only God know the evil way you dey here dey plan. Because now the only thing where you sabi to plan evil. Anyway, this is why I want to tell you now, on a normal day, I'm not even supposed to talk to you or tell you anything. Because you be my enemy and you be my daughter enemy. If not for one thing, I don't go tell you. But if I just tell you, not be my church mind, I think they tell you, make you just know. See, I see you for my dream last night. Why you bother me be saying anything what I see for my dream, they happen. Because my grandfather, my great-grandfather, even the one who follow uncle, all of them are from lineage of traditionalists and medicine men. So I'm a fool. I see you for my dream where you dey waka. They waka as usual. Jaga see your upper. Naga. Hang your shoulder like a hanging fan. Naga. Momo na dia. Masquerade. Big masquerade though. He dey come.
Everybody they want you. Come on for road. As usual. You were on time. Now rubber. But you see the Buhari. When I'm telling now I can't consider me. Everybody they want you. Come on for road. You know agree. Even the more they look you, make you get sense. Come on for road. You know agree. As that among reach you, they must pray. Immediately you reach where you dey. He flog shaggy come up for your body. You see that among? He flog albino come up for your eye. Yes. Now your portion. Now your portion. The next thing, when you come finally borrow person ear, come listen. As you are run, you fall enter inside the hole, and for inside that hole, now you die. God forbid. Now you go die. You don't die finish. Death is your portion. You are a dead man walking, but you never know. Anyway, I say make I tell you because you no get sense. If you go here, make you hear. If you no go here, make you carry your ear, fall inside the hole.
I respect you. I'm just respecting you. Old woman.
Yes, I respect you. You respect you. Anyway, it is for you to think about your life. Your useless life. Think and well. If not, the question will wrong.
Madam, I'm respecting you. Before they go say I don't beat old woman, I'm respecting you.
Before they say you beat old woman, only thing she shall never be that can
Nobody go fit do you harm. Jay, I wonder my watching you are safe. May nobody joke with my obi kubana. Because I know they use them.
Otonwa, is anything the matter?
Yes, sir. I've been noticing your mood these days. It seems something is bothering you. Are you okay?
Do you care about me that much to have noticed that I haven't been in my state of mind for a while now?
Normally, you be a better person, you be a good man. See, anytime you're happy, me, I'm happy. Anytime you're sad, I'm sad. And it's because I have not been happy for the... I have not been happy for a while now. So, me, it's affecting my own happiness. That's why I want to know how far. What's going on?
There's no problem, I'm fine. Thanks for checking up. I really do appreciate it.
It's a lie, I'm not fine. I'm busy because of the project you're running.
I'm okay. You don't have to worry yourself about anything.
If it's the project now, it's not better to just pause at the moment. Then travel out. When you travel, come back and cannot start. By then, your mind will be calm. For now, just travel. Travel, leave the project, travel. Make project not go take your life because the... Sorry, but...
But don't worry, I'm fine. I just said I'm fine.
Wow. Do you want any snack so that I can just help you?
You leave this house before I send you to your early grave.
I am not afraid of that which kills the flesh. I am only afraid of that which kills the soul. We see you. We see what you are doing. We see what you did. And we are here to warn you about the danger that looms. We smell death. Your death. His death. And her death.
What is the meaning of what you're saying? Please just leave my house right now. Leave.
Thievery. Lie. Jealousy. Envy. Ingratitude. Yet, you are not satisfied. Let me warn you. Your next step will lead you to your early grave. And he asked me to warn you. Can you leave now? Just leave. Leave. Now let me say it in clear terms, since that is what you want. You have been stealing from Obiora. You want to destroy him. And now you want to burn down everything. They asked me to tell you that if you do not leave this house this minute, you will live in a coffin. I'm not leaving. You should leave. Okay? I have delivered the message that they asked me to send to you. They want you to return everything you stole from Obiora, or you will die. Just leave. Just leave. Leave.
Going crazy. I am going crazy. How did she get to know about this? Who told her? What is going on?
I don't care how she got to know. We have to give her whatever she's asking for. Because I don't want to die.
Never. Never, I say. I'd rather die.
Guys, I am so scared. I don't like what is happening. I knew that woman was evil, but I never expected this from her. We need to act fast immediately and leave this place before it's too late. I don't want to die. Please.
Nobody is dying. None of us is going to die. Please.
Listen, woman, and listen very carefully. I will no longer take orders from you. For the fact life is involved. You are no longer my boss because I don't want to die. Yes.
I am done. Frank, how dare you speak to me in that manner? You, Ichoma, that I picked up from the dirtiest part of this planet? You that I brushed up? Is it you that I made? I made you up. And you have the guts to speak back at me, Ichoma. You dare not. You will do what I say from now on. Huh?
Well, you are not my God. I will no longer take orders from you. And you are no longer my boss.
Listen, guys, you have to calm down, please. We don't need all this right now. We need to find a lasting solution to this problem. We don't have time, please. Enough of all this.
You are not going anywhere. You will not step an inch from this house. Are you okay? If anything happens to you, what will I do? You that is my only child. The only child that I have. Eh? When we hear Megan Corgan,
Malime, you will not understand. See, you will not understand. Me, I'm a strong girl. I'm very, very strong. And you even told me that I started fighting from your womb. Hey. You told me that day that you gave birth to me, I kicked one little girl with my leg. Yes, I kicked her. And now you are so, you don't even trust me again. I can fight. Besides, you told me that you lived with your late grandfather throughout your life. And he used to be a traditional practitioner. So, does it mean that you don't teach all these small juju things that I can put here? Then when I shoot, everybody will die. Or if I do, everybody will die.
It's again. Look at you. I lived with my grandfather, yes. I did not tell you that my grandfather is a juju man. My grandfather was a traditional medicine man. He used to give people herbs. Yes, on a boat. He was not a wizard. So if you are looking for juju or charm or anything to go and kill somebody, my hand is not there. I don't know about that one.
I will fight this fight though. This battle is my battle and I will have to win. This battle, Mama, me, I'm seeing my future. I've seen my future. My future is staring at me. If I leave this fight, my future will leave me and run away. And I don't want that for myself.
Why are you so stubborn? Why are you so stubborn? I'm asking you. You don't hear. You don't listen to advice. Mom, can I remember I've told you before? Eh? I've told you before. You are not going anywhere. If you are talking about strategizing so that we can, meet our goal and the things that we set for ourselves, that is when you will see your mother's brain in action. I didn't want now roll the mass, till we get to the top. But if Fulangula is Webia, this angle that you're talking about, you just come out here. You understand? So if you have decided that is the route you want to take, you are on your own. No? You are on your own, Panamafa.
This fight is not for the weak. This fight is both spiritual fight and physical fight.
No. You still have a house here?
No.
Your room is still here?
No.
You know what? Osim no.
I'll go and fight. I'll make it.
Osim no. No. Come on. Here. Anything you want to do, you are on your own.
Nobody go fit do you harm. I wonder my watching. You are safe.
So Ijoma, are you now ready to tell me what you have been meaning to say to me?
Sir, I would have liked somewhere private because the matter is very sensitive.
What are you talking about? Somewhere private? Seriously, you are confusing me and you know it. Why can't you just be specific for once? Why are you making everything difficult?
Sir, seriously, it's not easy for me. I know I'm saying this, but I have to do this.
Then make it easy.
I don't know, sir. You don't understand. Sir, I forgot that Madam asked me to tell something to her.
Is everything okay? What were you both discussing? What she was planning to tell Obiora earlier today. Tell us!
What is going on? Were you planning to spill?
You people should leave me alone. No? I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey, John, what were you planning to tell Obiora? Tell me now, or else I'm going to kill you here, right now.
Hey, kill me! In fact, Womu, I'm tired of everything. Okay,
Frank. Frank, can you hear her?
Tasha.
Can you hear the way she's sounding? Because you have banged this girl's brain out of her head. Since the day you started banging her, you banged her brain off.
Tasha, just stop it, okay? She's my girlfriend, for Christ's sake. We'll solve this issue, please.
Wait, Frank. I thought this was just a fling. So you have added feelings to it.
Listen, Tasha, I love my girlfriend and that's fine now. I have feelings, unlike you that don't have feelings and emotions. I love my girlfriend.
You heard it!
We'll find a way to solve this problem, not by killing anybody. Nobody's going to die. Solve this issue.
Guide you with every strength I have. Nobody go fit do you harm. I wonder my watching. You are safe. May nobody joke with my Obi.
It's okay, babe. Stop crying, okay? Okay, stop crying. Please, just calm down, okay? Babe, stop crying. Everything will be fine. Just calm down, please. Babe, please, stop crying.
Ijoma, we have to take whatever we can and leave right away.
Wait, What about the security?
I think she's dead or unconscious, but we need to go before he gets back, please.
No way! Don't tell me you killed that innocent girl!
Not kill anybody, and nobody is innocent. Can we move?
So listen, guys, we need to confirm that she's dead. Just... Where is she?
I left her here, no?
What do you mean you left her here?
Where? I'm very sure I left her here.
If you left her here, then where is she?
Maybe she regained her consciousness or something.
Frank, her mother warned us so. I don't want to die, Frank. Her mother warned us.
Hey, listen guys, we need to leave here immediately. Let's pack what we can and leave now. We don't have time for this nonsense. Leave now, please.
How far now?
What? How far waiting? What? Are they in a hurry? Are they?
Sure you did in a hurry. This period you too busy. I never see you. What did they happen? Come inside first. What's going to happen now?
What's in the app? What's in that?
What's up our alignment now?
I'm not in the mood. I should see my mood like this. But no, sir, I'm not in the mood to talk about that now. But I beg. Because they go where they go. They in a hurry. I beg.
Now you don't turn our matter. Where they collect bribe, they collect everything from our hand.
I don't understand. Which time they collect bribe? You see why people don't like people, help people with this? And they help you. Now you don't twist the whole story now to my own bad. Let me be the bad person now. Abi, I don't turn bad person because I don't agree. Oga, not be me begging for what you give me. Now you give me. I don't beg you.
But you collect them.
I collect that. I go give you gift to go reject them. And see me so wahala. You give me something. I don't go help you again. No, that wahala be this. I guess somewhere why they hurry now. Instead of you to ask me why is your face like this? Why are you in a hurry? What's going on? You're asking me of another talk. Which kind of sense that one?
What's going to go on? Shoe. What's going to happen? Why your face be like mess? Shoe.
Something they grand now. Something where they worry me they grand now. And you self as man where you be supposed to help me fix this thing. You see my face that are they worried? Go help me run this now. Go help you do your own. I beg.
Yeah. I go help you, no wahala. But you go still help me with my package. You know
no man. Go help you.
No wahala.
I go explain later. What's it?
Sugar.
What's going on now? Why is Frank's number not connecting? What's the meaning of this now? What am I supposed to do now? I think I should go to his house. Please, I don't have this time. I really don't have this time.
What are we going to do? I don't trust Tasha.
See, listen, Ijoma, we don't have a choice right now. We just need to carry her along. It's the only option we have now.
Then let's give her up before Obiora finds us.
How do you intend doing that?
Let's lock her inside the house. Then before Obiora finds her, we must have been somewhere else.
You know what? I think you have an idea there. Just go in and pack your things, okay? I'll meet you at the visitor's room.
Sure, I'll do just that. Do that. What is going on?
Mama, who
wants to kill her?
You know that he told me that these people are wicked. That they will kill me. Now what is happening now? They are after my life. They want to kill me now and take over everything that belongs to my Oga. They want to run away.
You know what? Have you called Mr. Obiora? Have you called him? Call him fast.
So what?
I don't hear you without nothing like weapon. When we get there, anything we lay our hands on, we turn to weapon. We can choose or so we can go.
You want to run away now, Mama? These people are evil.
Don't worry. I can go.
Oga,
Frank, you allow this outlet to deceive you. Huh? Anyways, just untie me, I will forgive you.
Don't shut that thing you call him out. This is for the pains you made me go through. useless thing.
Frank, you allow this Alu to treat me like this?
One more word from you, I'll kill you right here. I promise you.
No, babe. She doesn't want making you a killer. Please don't do this, okay? Let her be!
Ijoma, you don't even know who Frank is. Do you know why I employed him? I guess you don't. I will tell you. This guy here is a murderer.
Shut up.
He's a killer.
Shut it.
He has killed many people. And he's still going to kill. He's still the same person. He will kill you and take the money.
No. Let her be. Let her be. Please. No. Let her be.
You see?
Can we live here?
He is going to kill you, Ijoma. He will continue to be a killer. He will kill you because of money. He will take everything. Frank!
And the police people paid you already. Where?
I don't come out about they never call police. I don't sure say police did.
You say what?
I know sure say police did. They don't call. I don't come out.
You have not called police. Hey! I don't want to die yet. I trouble you. I never want to die. What do you mean by that?
Mama now. Let's be going now.
Otonwa, no put me for wahala. He's gonna beg you. I get bright future with Tina.
I beg.
See, as you never call police, I beg, make I dey go.
Ma stop now.
Make I dey go. What do you mean?
Almost reach now. Which kind go out with that now? See me, I get my own plan. As I don't call my oga, he go call police now. See what we go do. If we reach house now, I don't want already hide my gun beside gate. If we reach, I go first of all enter. When I go stand outside, I go collect key, do my own doings inside. Then I go signal now. We go come do the rest. What's in there?
Blame boss someone. Eh? In fact, this is your plan. You go walk.
Let's go, I beg.
I know say you did too much.
What's going on here? Where are you going to go back?
Sir, I have been wanting to tell you something, but...
I said it! I knew you guys were up to something. You better start talking because the police, you're already on the way coming here.
Hey, Mr. Man. I came fully prepared.
So Frank, you have the guts to point a gun at me. Frank, for after everything that I've done for you, this is the only way that I decided to pay me back.
That's not my business. Go and ask your woman that. I am here for my money, and that's final. Move back! One step!
Please, bring it down.
Whatever thing you want.
Hand over the car keys. Now! I said now!
Frank!
Bitches! Move now! Open this gate now!
door if I meet you outside! Open this gate now! I said open this gate now!
Hey! Where the police? Oh, I don't want to die. Come outside! I don't want to die today. Oh, where the police?
I don't want that today. Where they say now?
Who sent me come this house today? Who sent me?
So if I come outside, you won't like yourself. You hold stick, you hold gun, me I hold stone. Make we go there, go challenge them. Who the peace? Let's get now.
Man, no be gone though. If I will cock this for and finish the process, these people go down shoot all of us down. We go rest in peace. I beg, no risk am.
Where this money?
No, you be man, wait there. You know they do anything.
Hey, who sent me? Because of you.
No, you be man, mama.
Nothing there happen. Forget that thing. Nothing there happen. Hey, pianist, don't know. Keep quiet there. If I come outside, I will blow your head. Once again, they blow whose head?
Your head.
Bastard! Idiot, ungrateful fool! Frank, if I get you, I will kill you! Nonsense!
I can't believe that I'm living with a devil, a winch all this while. I'm still trying to gather my thoughts. I will figure you out.
Will you shut up? Shut your trap. How dare you come in here? How dare you? When you were fixing your mouth on the different women, you didn't think that I would be out from that. A woman who has been with you for many years?
Wait, was this because I cheated on you?
No, it wasn't because you cheated. You broke me. You destroyed me. You damaged me. You took everything away from me.
Tasha, I begged for your forgiveness. I asked you to forgive. As a matter of fact, I'm a changed person all because of you.
You think it's that easy? It wasn't that easy. Opiora, you made me lose trust for people, for men. But I came back. Not because I love you. Because I came for revenge. I came to finish you, destroy you, damage you as well. So you can feel the pain you caused me.
Are you trying to say that Frank and Ijoma, you planted them to destroy me?
Yes, I did. Until that stupid idiot you called Gate Woman destroyed all our plans. I would have long sold this house. But unfortunately, my plans was destroyed. And I am not sorry for everything I did to you. I am not sorry! Not.
Move there! Move! Move! That useless house there. I'm not saying that better thing. Hands up! What hit the ananya? Look at that! Move! Hey! After take care of them. One player! Push anything down. Oh, take that man and I'm with it. Ah, waka one day. So you're a thief. One man. One man, Nini. One man, Nini. Thief.
Take them out of this place.
Move. So you're a thief. Move. I said, look at them. Hey. Who was he? If it was in my days, all firing squad.
Thank you so much. Let's just go in.
Sorry, yeah.
Otonwa, I really want to appreciate you and your family for everything that you have done for me. Indeed, you have sugar in you. I can testify to that. And I promise you, I'll end up nothing but to make sure that I reward you handsomely.
Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. See, me, I'm happy that you are beginning to see my capability. You know that day I came, I told you that I'm very capable. I can do anything. Just trust me. Or if you were thinking I was joking, nah. Me, I'm a woman of my words. I'm very, anything I say, start. That's fine now. It's not by graga, it's by brain. You saw how I caught them, how I dealt with them. You saw it. That's me. I'm very good at that. That's my work.
My friend, shake me.
Ma?
I am proud of you.
Yeah?
Eh? I am so proud of you. Uto de nangwa.
Yes,
Uto me.
Ma.
Everything sweet is you. Eh? You see, I told you that you will not get a more capable security person than my daughter. When I work here, now you have seen her work. Look at how a little David finished all the Goliaths with Moab, with all the weapons that they have. Mama, you are too much. I knew it. The kind of cry you cried the day you came out. I suspected that day that you are going to be a great woman. Obidogo!
So, since there's no girlfriend again, no wife, what's the next level? Like, what's our next move?
There's no next level or step here. There's no way forward for me actually for now, because at this point I'm left with no other alternative but just to recover from what I've been through. I went through hell. You could testify to that, right? So at this point now, let me just put my head together and just focus. Nothing like relationship for me.
This is heartbreaking. I'm heartbroken though. Okay, let me just cry for us. This is so bad for us.
Otonwa, come back. See, where are you going? We need to feast and marry. We're going nowhere. I'm sure you don't want to miss out.
Hey! Osi feast. Did you hear what he said? Feast. Forget that your broken heart. You have to first of all take care of your stomach. After that, you start talking about your heart. Very important. So, I will tell you the things that we will need to partially mend her broken heart. You want that? So,
okay, that's fine. Just tell me anything that you need or you want us to get, and I'll place the order now.
Anything? Hey, don't say anything. Oh, man, the first thing that we need is goat head. Very big one. All those kind of goats that when you look at their face, you know that they were wicked when they were alive. Those ones with big nose and long beard. Very important. Well garnished. Eto. Okay, yata. Four of us. Then Owa, I got well garnished with onions on one side. Then you wash it down now with tombo. 25 liters. Very important.
What was tombo? Is it palm wine?
Wow. Palm wine. 25 liters. Then big fish. Very big. Big like this. Then they will now put all those things that they used to do and one see. That is it. So let them bring that one. That one is starter. I will go do from there. Let us start from there. So by the time we start downloading those ones, we see other more. Because that one is just to whet our appetite. You have their number, where? Of course.
Nobody go fit do you harm more. I wonder my watch and you are safe. May nobody joke with my obi kubana, because I know they use and play. Now my personal person. I go take it but for you. If they say na you, them go pass through. Don't want fast enough. I will protect you with everything.